Happy Friday. It is Memorial Day weekend 2019 and we are loaded up once again. We got the boat loaded up and we're headed south this time. We looked at all the weather reports and we did want to go to Lake Michigan, but it's not looking favorable to the north, so we're going to go south. So we're headed to one of our favorite southern destinations in southern Illinois, beautiful
Lake Shelbyville.
Lake Shelbyville. So we're hooked up, we're loaded, fridges are full. It's pretty crappy here in northern part of Illinois, but right now it's in the low 80s and sunny down in Shelbyville. So we get down to Shelbyville, we'll show you what it looks like. So come along. Shelbyville. It's about 88 degrees, 20 degrees warmer, 3 hours south of our home. And it's beautiful. No rain, sunshine, gorgeous weather. We're gonna have a lot of fun. First time trying that, by the way, but I think we're ready to get in the water. What do you think? Let's go get wet. Take us a cruise around the lake and then go find us a nice cove to anchor in tonight. You see here, there's Miss Beck.
Welcome to Lake Shelbyville Memorial Day weekend 2019. We just got to our cove, we're having a little beverage, and we're going to watch the beautiful sunset.
Take a look at this. Look at this view. First notice, we got some sangria. Very good. We got the dinghy in tow. And this is our favorite little harbor, our little bay of choice. Quick pan here. Just a nice little cove, picturesque. And there sits the first mate enjoying a nice sangria. Look at that. Steaks wrapped with bacon. Nice boat. Boy, she needs a good waxing. She is dirty. Okay, toss the anchor out. Nice little cove, see if we can find something in here. So far we're batting 0. Caught a stick on the bobber, not even on the hook. That's pretty talented. Catch a stickfish without even hooking it. Only thing about stickfish is there's not much meat on them. And they're kind of hard to clean. I think we'll throw him back. What do you think?
Yeah.
We'll throw him back. We're not going to keep him.
He's a lucky guy.
Look at what we got! Fish on! Look at that crappie!
Swallowed
We
it.
weren't skunked!
Yay!
Yay! Thank you, fish, for wondering why. Let's see it clear down. Little cove. One would think there'd be some fish up in here. Back in this cove where there's just a lot of trees still sticking up. So quiet and peaceful. Looks like a fisherman's heaven. We may try to fish this tomorrow. See if we can get more than one fish for the weekend. We got plenty of night crawlers, so hopefully we can get something. So peaceful. Definitely got warm, probably 85, 88 today. Skies are blue. It has been a beautiful day. We really like it down here in Shelbyville. It's very nice. It reminds me of a Cumberland type lake. It's very quiet, very peaceful, a lot of houseboats, a lot of people just
right
chilling. Oh, 81 right now. Look at the water line on that. About a foot. Looks like it's been higher than another foot higher. The wood's so seasoned with it.
Very best pose.
Well, we just got to Lithia Springs Marina and we're going to try out the new restaurant. They've got a bar here. They're closed, so they let us park here at the fuel dock. And we're going to go and check it out. Looks like they got some outdoor dining. Free little library. Pretty happening place here tonight. So we're going to go up to the food truck, the new restaurant. Just opened yesterday, so they don't have a whole lot of food. So we're going to go up and heard they got some killer pulled pork up here at the top of the hill. So we're going to go up here and get some pulled pork sandwiches. Got Bud Light. Wife's got a, what do you got? What are you drinking?
Oh, white wine. It's
White
local
wine.
white wine. It's very good.
Local
Harvest
white wine.
Very
It's
good.
just a gorgeous evening. Look out over the Lithia Springs Marina. And we got the D Dirty Burger food truck that we're gonna grab some supper from. So let's go check it out. I like a TV out here even. What do you think?
Very good.
Look at this. We got some pulled pork, coleslaw. Tell us who you are.
I'm Serenity.
Say Bryson.
Bryson. I'm Madeline.
And I'm Kevin.
All right. Well, they just took a tour on our boat to check it out. It's almost dark here at Lithia Springs, but we met these nice folks, and they just wanted to take a look at the boat. So, so now you're on YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Good morning. It's early in the morning, about 1:30, 1:40, right around there. Something. We just had a big wind blow storm come through, and it just lodged our anchor. So we are up against, luckily, a soft bank here. You can see this or not from my spotlight, but we're up against a soft bank. We got the engine running, so I want to try to back out of here if we can. Once this wind dies down, we can get off this bank. But part of boating, have a little bit of storms come through, and sometimes it makes your anchor come loose. Good Sunday morning. It is Memorial Weekend, and we are up and had a little bit of rocky night. We did have a storm blow through here with probably 60+ mile-an-hour winds, and it did push the boat, and we lost the anchorage, and so it pushed us up against one of the little soft shores, and luckily it didn't push us any deeper into the cove we're in. But about 1:45 or so, we got up and got that settled, and then once the wind came through, then we did get her fired back up and repositioned in the center of this cove. But kind of a hectic night.
Scary.
Wind was blowing really hard. Didn't have a lot of rain, but it was blowing really, really hard. And we were just on the very, very southern tip of the storm. But as you can see this morning, it's a bit cloudy outside, kind of gloomy. A little sticky out. It's warm, but we're going to enjoy this beautiful breakfast that the First Mate made. And right now we're scanning for TV signals, so you can see I got the new TV mounted up on the front. And it looks like we got some channels here, so we're gonna enjoy the Indy 500 from the boat today if it's gonna be a rainy day. And maybe get out and do some fishing. Hopefully the weather clears up a little bit. It's not supposed to be a rain out all day long, but there are people out on the lake, believe it or not. Looks like the lake is nice and flat and smooth, so they're out there doing a little bit of skiing, and we saw some fishermen come through earlier, so we're gonna just enjoy the water. We're enjoying a little shower here today while we're watching the race and enjoying our lake time, but this ain't so bad. So if you can see right here, I got the new TV set up. It's working pretty nice. We got a fan blowing on us here. We're virtually dry. Still got a beautiful cove, and we're just enjoying a little rain. Loch Ness Monster of Lake Shelbyville.
It's Nessie.
Nessie. We got a little deer up there. Come down to the water to eat. We're making another attempt at fishing here. We've been out here for a few minutes, haven't caught anything yet. But it's just gorgeous out here. We got some of these high trees back in Opossum Creek Cove. So we're gonna see if we can catch anything. We're using some night crawlers, and then I've got a little fake lure, fake crab or a crappie jig on here. So hopefully we catch something.
Good morning. It's Monday morning, Memorial Day weekend, and we're about to make some delicious omelets on the boat. first we put a little oil in for our ingredients so they don't stick. Next you add whatever ingredients you want. Little mushrooms. Little pico. Let that simmer. Okay, now it's time to add the eggs. Just kind of want to make sure that everything's covered. Let it cook.
Come on, buddy. Look at that son of a bitch.
You really need your net.
Oh, I know, I didn't have one with me. My net's in the big boat. So I didn't
Park is taking us for a
anticipate.
ride.
Look at this.
I don't know how you're going to get
This is
him
a
in.
good video.
Can you see the fish out there?
Good night. Look at the size of that son of a gun. Come here, buddy. Come here. Oh, he's running. Look at that monster.
Whoa.
Starting to get tired. Oh, he's running again. This is on 4-pound test ultralight rod. This thing's probably
Oh, he's getting tired.
a couple pound fish, 5 pound maybe bigger. Come on, buddy. I'll let you go here. See if you come in.
There.
Huh? Oh wow, here it comes again. He is pulling us around. This on a chartreuse shad. Look at the size of that thing. Alright, this makes all the skunking worthwhile.
See, I told you. We just have to get some luck.
Stick with it. Boy, he's a big one. Come on, baby, tie her out. Look at the lips on that thing. Come on, buddy.
There you go.
Come on, come on, come on. Lips. Oh, god damn, I can't do the pull and do. There. Holy Moses.
God! Don't put it
God,
in.
that's heavy.
Holy cow.